Your key fob looks fine, the battery is good, it unlocks the doors, but the car will not start, and the dealership has no idea why. Here is what is actually happening inside your vehicle's security system. Every modern key fob and the car's computer share a synchronized counter. Every single time you press that button, both the fob and the computer advance that counter by 1. When you send a signal, the car checks that your fob's number falls within an accepted range ahead of its own. If it does, the car opens. If it does not, nothing happens. No warning light, no error message, just silence. This is called counter drift. If your fob gets pressed too many times out of range of the vehicle, those two numbers fall out of sync and the car stops recognizing you entirely. But here is where it gets interesting. A skilled ECU technician can plug directly into the car's memory chip, read the exact counter value stored in hex code, compare it to what the fob is broadcasting, and write them back into alignment. Pure arithmetic. Looks like magic. Follow for more car tech secrets hiding in plain sight.